Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that all the data has been transferred from the old phone to the new phone, they have the same wallpaper and even lock screen is the same. The easy thing to do would be to take the physical SIM card out of here and put it in here. We would be all done. But I hear eSIMs are the new thing. Let's do some research and see what's all that about. Okay, so it seems like eSIMs are a little more secure, so I do like that. I'm following this video by Stenson on how to go from physical SIM to eSIM. I'm sure every carrier will be different, so let's log into our US Mobile account. I went to the US Mobile website on desktop because I like using the computer more than the phone. Once logged in, this is what it looks like. I was trying to click here, but I needed to set up two-factor authentication first. After that was done, I can click blue now, enter in my IMEI on my new phone here, clicked authorize the transfer, and a notification popped up on the new phone, started the eSIM process. After a few minutes, I had to restart the phone. I was able to make phone calls, US Mobile on the new phone, no service on the old phone. Another pretty easy video. I thought it would be a little bit more complicated, but so far, smooth sailing. Video number 257 done.